We have a massive haul to share with you today. Over the last few weeks, we went to thrift stores, antique stores, and estate sales, and we bought $100 worth of cool things. Keep watching to see what we scored. So the first few finds came from our trip to Shepherdstown, West Virginia, and we went to a few antique stores and we picked up this tiered bird pie stand for $10. We picked up this metal stapler for $7. So I have been on the hunt for a syrup dispenser. This one was a little pricey at $16, but it's pretty sturdy. So I already had one of these green dishes, but I found two more, and they are the perfect size, believe it or not, for a stick of butter. Just outside of Baltimore, we found a self-serve yard sale. These people had a stock garage and just a little bin where you could leave money. And so I found the sewing box for $3. The ornaments we picked up at an estate sale, which I'll show you finds from that in a little bit. I picked up maybe 5 or 6 of these pink glass bowls for 25 cents each. And this yellow Buttermints vintage tin also for 25 cents. Just north of Baltimore, we went to a really good estate sale and I got this giant aloe plant. This thing is massive and this was $5. And we also picked up 3 large mirrors. One's an oval, one's a circle, and one is a large rectangle, which we have already put in our living room. And each mirror was $10 each. We got this metal firewood holder, it's a little rusty, and a Coca-Cola wooden crate. Both of them were $10 altogether and included some other miscellaneous tools that Rob picked up. Now for maybe the best part, we went to a local estate sale and we spent $40 for all of the rest of the stuff that you will see in this video. So that includes this stack of milk glass plates and this giant milk glass decorative pedestal bowl. I don't really know what it is. I also picked up 2 handmade art pieces. Fits perfectly with our theme going on in the house with the gold frames and the pink florals. The woman who lived here also had several prints from the artist Grandma Moses, so I picked this one up because it's in a nice old wooden frame. And this woman also had a ton of miniatures, so really when I die, I think my house is going to look like her house. This red tin with a bunch of miscellaneous items. It had a little metal meat grinder that actually spins and turns just like a regular meat grinder does. And I also grabbed 2 room boxes. So this one right here is missing a piece of trim, but that's an easy fix. And it came with a lot of neat accessories, including a miniature Grandma Moses painting. And here's the second room box. And this one came with a lot of wooden furniture and some accessories, including a weird floral arrangement in a seashell and a little doll fashioned out of a clothespin. I also threw a ton of wallpapers and fabric pieces into a plastic bag, and so that's what is here. My favorite wallpaper is this herb botanical print. And Rob picked up these 2 wooden wine boxes. So that wraps up our haul. We spent about $100 on all of the items in this video. Leave a comment down below with your favorite finds, and we hope that you have a great week. Bye!